Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to put your 2020 Mustang in neutral if you do not have a key. Let's say you lost the key and you got to roll it down the street or out of your garage, or it's on a trailer and you bought it wrecked like I did and didn't have a key and have to get it off. Getting it in neutral is pretty important information. I'm basically going to just show you a quick way to do that, alright? So here we go. So what you want to do is take this little coin tray out. And if you put your fingers underneath, you can feel just the lip of this chrome trim right here. Get your hand underneath and just slowly kind of tug upward, applying a little bit of pressure, and you start hearing that little popping. Basically, you're popping it out of place. Keep doing that. Kind of need two hands here. You could also tuck your fingers between here and pull up as well, and that'll help you get it out. All right, let me use two hands here. Let's see. All right, so you're gonna see this little white basically clip right in here. What you want to do is you want to slide it forward towards the engine, and that will release it out of gear. See if I can do it this way instead. And there it is. So it's disengaged right now. I can go ahead and push it down and then start moving it the way I want it. So basically that's how to get the 2020 Mustang in neutral. I had to get it in neutral, couldn't find anywhere online to do it, not even YouTube. So I wanted to go ahead and make this video so you guys at home be able to put it in neutral. So if you like what you just saw, just make sure you like and subscribe. I do have a lot of random how-to videos on automotive repairs and little tricks. If this video helped you in any way, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know it worked out for you. Other than that, peace out.